So let's open that page. Where is that? Chrome driver. Okay. One thing is important while downloading the Chrome driver for you. You have to download the same version of the browser driver, which is the exact browser version for you. Suppose in the Google, I want to run my test case. So I need to first check what is the version of my Google Chrome. So it is the 110.0.548.104. So same version I have to download for the Google Chrome driver. Okay, let's see. So you have to search like Chrome. This was already opening for me. Chrome driver. You can see Chrome driver.chromium.org. Just go on the downloads. It will navigate to the all different versions for the driver file, and we have to download the exact one. Maybe last digit can be different, but 5481 should be match. So 5481 is this one, right? 5481. Last is 77. That can be different, but 5481, the second last should be the same. 5481 and 5481. So just click on this. Now you can see the different versions for the Chrome driver that you want to download for Linux system, Mac system, or for the Windows. So we are using the Windows. So just click on the win32.zip and it will download for you. Once it is getting download, just unzip the folder. Okay, I think it's still downloading.
Rahul, in the real time, all these settings or configuration are done by like ISIT team people, or like we will be
No,
doing.
we will be doing this project. So this is about the project configuration, right?
Yes.
So not the different team. So we will be doing these things because we
Okay.
know about the project, we know about the automation, we know about the Selenium.
Okay.
So we have to do that.
Okay.
Now we have to go in users, Eclipse workspace, and we have created this batch. And under this batch in src folder, under the main folder, now the resources folder, we have to keep this file. In the similar way, we have to download for Firefox driver, or if you're working with the Edge driver, same way we have to download and kept in the resources folder. If now we will see, and if we refresh the project, you can see in the resources folder chrome driver.exe file is there. So this is how you have to download the chrome driver.exe and set up in your project. Okay, this setup we have done. I have mentioned all the configurations also here, how to do that.